More information on the system I use to haul my kayak. I've seen a few questions saying how do you do this if you don't have the rack on all the time. I do have the roof rails that are factory roof rails, but I have a removable rack from Yakima with the aero bars. I have a Yakima Showdown kayak carrier on top, and I'll take a couple minutes and show you how it works. So first, you get these down on the side. Each one comes down. That's where the kayak will go. It does keep the kayak off the side of the car. You have to remember to push in the mirror though. Once you have this, it's basically down and ready. You need to prep the straps. The straps go in over the top pin, and they will eventually go under. I'll pull most of the strap over and then flip it behind. Same on the rear. When you're doing this, make sure there are no tangles. And you also need to make sure that the buckle faces up. So again, in over the top pin, pull most of the strap through, and then flip it over behind. So now it's ready to put the kayak on. I'll go grab the kayak and show you how to do that. Put the kayak in place. For my kayak, these handles are the center of mass, so I need to move it a little forward. I try to have those dead center between the racks. That's close enough. And as before, straps are ready. You have to keep your arm on it to keep it from tipping out. It goes inside this, it doesn't go around this. And it goes on the inside of the pan on the bottom, so it comes out the outside. Move my rod holder base back just a little. I like to have the buckle pretty close to the middle when I'm traveling. So move it up a little. Once you have one strap on, it will hold itself. So the same thing on the rear. As before, it goes on the inside of the pin, comes out on the outside of the pin. When I'm tightening, I like to lift the kayak up a bit to make sure it's all the way down the cradle while I'm tightening the strap. I visually check it from the rear to make sure it's all the way down on the cradle. It is. So now that I've got the rear in, I'll do one more quick tighten on the front and then just loop the strap. And that's just to keep it from flapping in the wind. So here. Okay, now it's on. All we have to do is tip it up, slide it in, and put our pins in. Sometimes you have to wiggle these around to get the pin in, just like that. and there you go, ready to travel. Super soft.